Hello and welcome to this video. Today I wanted to take a look at the OEC Trader platform, and what we want to take a look at in here is the Quoteboard. The Quoteboard is going to allow us to view quotes and other information for multiple symbols at a time to keep an eye on the markets. So if we go ahead and take a look here at the Quoteboard that we do have available, and what I'm going to do is actually undock this so that we can focus specifically on the Quoteboard. If I maximize this, you can see that we can actually add in many more instruments here, and just a few details here that we want to look at right off the bat are the columns that are available here by default. And so we have these symbols, we have things like trend, change, last traded prices, we have the bid, the ask, and so forth. And all of these columns are configurable. The instruments also are configurable, so we can change the instruments, we can modify them here, we can also reorder them if we wanted to. The other thing that we can do as well is set up tabs for these different instruments. You can see at the bottom of the screen here, we actually have several different tabs. We have indices, fixed income here, currencies, energies, grains, metals, softs, and as well as another tab here that we could use if we wanted to add some more symbols there. So we can really personalize this and customize this for the instruments that we want to look at, or of course, divide them into different asset classes here to group those. You can also of course, remove an instrument. So if you wanted to remove a row, it's as simple as right mouse clicking. You can see some other options that we do have here. We can also even access order entry right from the right mouse click menu here within OEC Trader. So you can see that I could buy, for example, or sell, for example, here. And those are options here that are available within this right mouse click menu. We can even access, for example, if we saw some quotes or some data here that we wanted to take a look at further here within that instrument, we can access the DOM chart just by right mouse clicking on that specific instrument. So that allows us to quickly access information there for those instruments while still looking at the overview with the Quoteboard. We can also, of course, again, adjust the columns. So if we go to, for example, if we wanted to adjust the columns, we can right mouse click again within that setup here and go to the column setup option. Here we have the available columns, and we also have the visible columns, so we can adjust these. We can strip them down if we wanted to. We can add some other specific ones, for example. The other thing that we can do as well is we can also reorder these columns. So if you have certain data here that you want to view together or reference side by side, absolutely possible. You can rearrange those to your specific preferences. So there's really a lot you can do here within the Quoteboard. You can also link instruments to a DOM interface or a chart, for example, to allow even quicker switching there between instruments as another way to access that information. If you have any questions about the Quoteboard, please feel free to let us know at any time.